My name's Ben.
Ben. What do you play, Ben?
I'm a pretty wicked spoons player.
What was that?
We hang out in the van a lot.
Are you warming up?
We warming up right now? Mm-hmm. Yes, by drinking, drinking some beer, stretching so we can get our boy band dance moves down. Ready?
Windows dirty, the gas is low. Heater's on, it's in below. Carmen's got a big mustache. Spectral, she'll kick your ass.
I'm gonna have pie for breakfast tomorrow.
Ooh.